Oh.
Wow. Wow.
Don't know.
Maggie, can I dance? I'm trying to dance. Hold that nose, thing. Go. 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 She look just like me dance. Go, thing. Go, thing. Get it.
You know she recorded lyric good.
Let's go. Bow. Go, Hailey. Oh, my girl want to get up with it. Wait. Don't jump off the bed, Hailey.
We should have put it on the dresser, huh?
Yeah. Get him, man. Get him, man. Go, Hailey. No, she ain't. She can't keep her balance on the bed. Go. Go.
Go, no.
Hailey. Go. Go. Go, Hailey. Go. Hailey. Oh, she can have that diamond ring. Put it on her finger.
She can have them all.
Because the other one busted open. Them the bad came out my finger when I was a baby. Come here, my diamond ring. Don't that move. Cute, man. I love that ring. I was trying to get you to get that mug bigger. Oh, I ain't want to get that ring to nobody. That's a real diamond ring.
Yeah.
Where you got it from, guys? God, I've been that ring for years.
Oh, look, y'all.
And I ain't want to get that ring to nobody. That's my baby. Put that on Facebook. Put that on Facebook. Look at her diamond ring. Yeah, you know, check her diamond out.
Like, oh, come on.
Yeah, look at them. Ooh. And she bought a business pretty Alicia. You might know if you go to Kidney. Look at her. She looking at herself in the mirror.
Go, no. Leave it alone now. Leave it on there.
Take it out. Take it out so she can dance. Look at her. Oh, Go, Hailey. Go, Hailey. Go. Y'all got some big dancing with her. Go, Hailey. Oh, you want to take some stuff out? Go. Hailey. Hailey, look behind you.
Go ahead. Too cute with that ring on there.
Oh.
You took the picture of me and her ring?
I put it on video. It's on a video, though.
Oh! Oh! Maybe you see her dancing for you.
Come here. You started it over. Let me see your hand, babe.
It look cute on her head, huh?
Sit down. You gonna be letting the way today?
Right.
Only when we go place it. Man, that mug. Oh, that mug's still clean.
Yeah, it's brand new. You on the water.
You better not fucking take them out.
Wait a minute.
No.
Hey.
Hey. No. Hey. Go come on, put it on.
And you better not get rid of this one. I don't care if a B is on it. You can say Brad gave it to her. See, these got cut out Brad.